Akash Gupta and I am a mechanical engineer by profession. 4 years ago, I started this company, SmackNet Solutions, along with a great team. So, the purpose of starting this company was to build a gap between the manufacturing industry and the technology industry. What I noticed was that the Indian manufacturing industries were not having the equivalent software required to improve their efficiency. So that's where the idea came in. So SmackNet Solutions provides industry-specific solution, and our niche is textile and pre-engineered building solution. So what we do is we provide a very specific solution to the industry, so that they can, without doing any modifications, without the hassles of implementations and all the headaches of implementing a ERP software, they can just from the day one they can start to use the solution. So what problem we faced in the initial days was most of the clients have already tried many solutions like SAP or any other custom ERP. So they already had a very bitter experience. So it was very difficult to convince the client to go for a newer solution. But due to the software that we are providing, since it is very industry specific, we have a very good success rate, and that is 100%. Usually, if you talk about the standard ERP, the success rate is very low. What we provide is a complete cloud-based solution. So you do not have to go with your own server. You do not have to install all those. Do not make any big capital investments and all those things. You can just go with a monthly subscription system. So what we noticed was that the IT department of the manufacturing industry was not good. They were not able to manage the servers, or the things becomes very costly. So with this cloud-based solutions, the things are based on pro rata basis. So the company is also very satisfied with these solutions. Our vision is at SMAC is to empower all the manufacturing industry to be more efficient using the technology. If I take an example of e-way bill. So recently our government introduced e-way bill. So usually what we noticed was that a person is dedicated to make a e-way bill. If I talk about textile industry, daily more than 100 invoices are generated. So more than 100 e-way bills have to be generated. With our solution, it is just a click away. So we have simply replaced that person with the tech. Okay, so that's how we are improving the efficiency. Now it is a one-click task. Instead of filling all the complete data on the GST portal, the client does not have to even leave the system or his ERP. With a single click, the GST and now e-invoice also is ready with a single click. So that's what we are trying to achieve, to automate things, to make the things easy. Recently in 2021, it has been now 4 years, we have introduced app also. So now we have app for Android and iOS both. And now the purpose behind the app is that the owners can manage their industry when they are on the go. Like what I noticed was people are in a hurry. When they get the time when they are sitting in their car or they are going to their home. So that's what the purpose of the app is. Like you can monitor your complete dispatches, what all the dispatch was, what was the efficiency, instead of calling so many people and asking them. So that is the common way, correct? So we call this person, that person, what was the dispatch today, what was the issue, you have to do approvals. So now it is a one click away. These things were not possible for manufacturing industries like textile and steel fabrication. So that's what we are bridging the gap between. So it has been a great journey. We have a great team. With the help of the team only all this is possible. So with the help of developers, testers, implementation team and all the team, we are able to achieve this. Also, all the major credit goes to the clients. Thanks for trusting in us, and thanks a lot.